Right, if you ever wanted to know how much it costs to fill up a Strocco, I'm about to show you because I'm running very low, even though I filled up yesterday. Yeah, that was fun. Anyway, if we hop back in and do this. Lovely stuff. Although, right, I did put in £40 yesterday evening on the way to the pub, and that 40 quid has all gone today. So please watch this video through to the end because I need money for petrol. So if you're not already, subscribe because I need money for petrol. If you've seen my videos before, like them because I need money for petrol. If anyone wants to send me money, please do because I need money for petrol. Right, good morning everyone. I'm about to head off to Thruxton for one of their coffee runs. It's the last one of the season, so I figured I'd go check it out. In my fashion, I forgot to book a ticket. I really thought I did, but I didn't. So luckily my friend has a ticket and he's gonna take me and we're gonna go have a look around. Maybe when I get back, I'll have a look at what's in here and maybe see if it's worth an install or whether I'm sending it back because it's questionable. Speak to me, where are we?
We're at Thruxton.
What are we doing?
We're looking at cars.
What do you think of this car?
Respect. Build. Lots of room.
Louis, what are your thoughts on this car? Bit high. I think it needs to be lower as well.
Me as well.
Do you know what that's looking with? Splitter.
Do you want some acrylic?
I've got some.
I've got some turbo in that whole one.
Got some Scirocco friends here. Not sure how I feel about the rain light. Or the wheels. Also, I might get this spoiler cap. Issue is I don't think that spoiler cap actually fits the facelift model, so might not get that spoiler cap. Just let me spend more money. Oh, hello.
Everyone in the comment section, tell Charlie to buy wheels first. No.
Don't listen to him.
Buy wheels.
Everywhere you go, there's
I'm broke.
Wheels and fitment.
oh,
What do you mean fitment?
Wheels will help your fitment.
it's unreal.
Update, we have stopped looking at cars to get food because Will's hungry.
Always. Really?
Food is secured. What are we feeling, boys?
Yeah.
There's a lot of different vibes going on here.
We came in and we were like, yo, 36. That's cool. Just 36 right. Yeah. Then you like see like JCWs and stuff and I'm like, no, cool.
Yeah, maybe a GP. Maybe a
And then you see like
I'm here for the small wheels. I'm here for the small wheels.
it's got like 13 to 12 and they're tiny.
Personally, it's not about the size, it's how you use them.
Small wheels spin up better. You can use them better.
You can use small ones better.
I don't. Hamish, stop fucking around.
Sorry, Hamish doesn't watch my videos.
Hamish is gonna be UB players. That bumper's not bothering.
Yeah, isn't this when you hit the wall?
Yeah, I ran a wall.
Ran a wall.
Just you in the car.
We went into it backwards, Will. Oh, was that this one?
That was this one here.
Oh, that's my bad. I apologise. That's my bad. That one was intentional.
Yeah.
That one we shot ourselves. Also, if you want to see Will's latest upgrade, come look at this turbo in here. Will. It's a bit of a vibe.
Oh yeah.
I'm not sure spacers go there, but you're the mechanic, so.
Do you want me to record you?
No, I've just hit it with a confident
What's
morning.
up, guys? Welcome back to the unit.
Yeah.
This morning I've been filling my car with silicon.
Anyway,
That's all you're getting.
That's
the full rundown for us.
That's the full rundown for Will. This is for me. I would help you, but you know, busy doing things. Yeah, morning. This morning we are headed down to Southampton for, is it Regal? They're hosting. He's busy.
Sorry, I'm having a moment.
That's alright, you do you.
Okay,
That's under
it
now.
is Regal.
It is Regal.
Motorsport.
Regal Motorsport. Yeah, so Regal Motorsport are holding cars and coffee on this lovely rainy day. And
Like usual, I'm going down there with no windscreen wiper as well.
like usual, Will is going down there without a windscreen wiper. That can only end well. Anyway, I think I've got a full car today. And
So does everyone. Jan's got full car.
he's only got one seat.
Full car.
Still a full car, true. Anyway, we're running late as usual, so right, have made it down to Southampton with only one of us being pulled over, which is good. Chucked the car back there because I wasn't that fussed about getting up in the meat of it all. But yeah, let's have a look around, and I'm sure you'll see some cinematic now. Yeah, it's quite cool. What is we're just not talking about that.
It came off. It genuinely did.
Jeez, it is nice though.
It leaks. Get a good shot of my
Oh, yeah.
puddle in the back.
I like that. You're gonna put some flowers in there as
I
well.
could do, yeah.
It's good. I like the seats. What are they?
Tillits, custard.
Yeah, I did notice that when the video came out.
Go on, get in it.
I don't know if I'm gonna fit in this.
Get in it.
This is actually sick.
Donut check.
Update, they have donuts.
They're good. You're supposed to put it in your mouth or drop it on the floor.
You know how last night you pissed in my car? What's S&D? Search and destroy. He gets it. Yeah, this STO is here to be supercharged. Exactly what he needs. Lamborghini. I can confirm that that is an engine. Right, so if you make a distraction, I'll grab the coilovers. Deal? Deal? Okay, I like it. The squatter's rights and that. When are you getting one, Luke? Yeah. Oh.
I stopped playing with bloody golfs.
Yeah, the only.
How to annoy a photographer. It's quite throaty. Right, that is it over. We've been to the 2 cars and coffees. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. It was probably quite a short filler episode, but I was going to them, thought I'd record them. If you watch it, great. If you don't, can't blame me for it. Right, how's it going? Jump cut to present me, where I'm currently editing the video. In that last clip you just saw, I was wiped out. I was so tired after a long day. So I thought I'd quickly record something, just say thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And quick thing, I spoke to eBay man about this spoiler. The spoiler is going to get installed onto my car. That will be next video. So make sure you stick around to see that, because it's questionable at best. But I'll let you guys rinse me in the comments after. Cool, thanks, have a good day, bye.